Libraries all over Europe face the difficulty of managing large amounts of textual materials from the 20th and 21st centuries, which have not yet been digitised because of the complex copyright situation. These works cannot be accessed by the general public and are slumbering deep in library stacks. Most of the books freely available online are copyright-free books and published prior to 1880 or even earlier. However, the greatest works of literature were generated in the 20th century. That's what the EOD Open project was created for. Starting from November 2019, 15 partners from 11 European nations are working together on making these digitally hidden works available to the public by digitising them. The project will directly engage with national, regional and local communities in the selection of material as well as the digitisation and sharing process. But how does it work? First, you send a suggestion to the library involved on what you want digitised. Once we clear the rights, based on the local copyright laws, the book will be digitised and adapted before uploading, so the materials will be accessible on mobile devices, but also for people with disabilities. The EOD Open project will have a significant impact on the cultural heritage of Europe by making at least 15,000 digitised books accessible to young people for their studies and blind and visually impaired people by adapting the materials for their needs. It will also serve as a knowledge tank for the national and international professional community, as it will train library staff in regard to the rights clearance of 20th and 21st century works. Creativity across Europe will be sparked as new readers and content creators discover works that were previously unavailable to them.